I felt like my life was great before my diagnosis. My husband and I went to Las Vegas for our anniversary, and I just didn't feel great. And it didn't make sense because everything seemed to be going so well. And when the results of the CAT scan came back, which was immediate, she called me and told me that she was admitting me to the hospital, that I had lymphoma. My days were numbered, and being made aware of that, which at 34 years old, it wasn't something that I was actually thinking about, that it was like, wow, at some point I'm going to die. It's exhausting to really live on a day-to-day, is this the day? Am I gonna get good news today, or am I gonna get bad news today? Seattle Cancer Care Alliance gave me the comfort and peace of mind, really since the first time of my diagnosis, to know that I wasn't going to be alone going through it, and whatever the news was, that it could be dealt with. And when I came to Seattle Cancer Care Alliance, I was blown away by the fact that an entire team of experts was looking at me as a patient and evaluating my case and making a decision on my treatment with me, partnering with me for it. I had a transplant, a stem cell transplant in 2014. And I relapsed quickly after that. And I had met with Dr. Maloney. He did discuss just multiple clinical trials that were in progress. I can't even explain how shocked and excited I was that there was this trial that I felt like I've been waiting for. It was the moment since my diagnosis that I was waiting for. At 28 days, I had a CT scan, and there was no detectable disease on the scan. I was in complete remission. I celebrate my birthday on July 2nd now.
2.5 years now.
Yeah, 2.5 years.
As a result of the research in this area, we now have two approved CAR T-cell treatments that are now commercially available. We're figuring out how to make these CAR T-cells work, and we're doing combination trials with other agents, as well as developing new CARs. There's no end to the potential for this new therapy. Very exciting.
I would absolutely say there's an 800 number. It couldn't be any easier to call to make an appointment, and you're not committing to anything. You're just finding out what your options are. I love taking a photograph of somebody where they can see themselves like their loved ones see them. So I made that my job, and I definitely come back to appreciating every normal day that I have and the opportunities that it brings me. It's amazing. I never lose sight of that.